I'm Carl Anthony with AutoSens TV. We're here outside of the Michigan Science Center for AutoSens Detroit 2018. We're standing here today with Paul Fleck, founder of Dataspeed, actually by the Dataspeed Pacifica, which, Paul, you were doing demonstrations the other day, so welcome to AutoSens and tell us about the demos.
Well, I'm glad to be here down here at the AutoSens event here in the Detroit Science Center, and this is our debut for our Pacifica that we by-wire enabled, similar to the Lincoln MKZ and the Ford Fusions, that there are over 300 of them out on the road today being used for autonomous research and development. So we developed a larger integration on a larger platform for customers that might be interested in things such as mobility as a service, the robo-taxi companies. So we put together a concept, a logoized vehicle, and put some LiDARs on there and did a precision GPS demo during the track days. So
now, Paul, you have an ADAS kit. Dataspeed is very much known for that. So let's talk first about what the ADAS kit is, and then let's talk about some of the benefits for Dataspeed's customers.
So the ADAS kit, it's a highly engineered electronic system that provides full control of the vehicle's steering, braking, shifting, and throttle, the systems. So by a single wire interface, you can control all those systems, and what that gives the end user, our customers, is the ability to turn this platform into an autonomous test vehicle. So they'll add their sensors or their computers or their algorithms, whatever they're trying to innovate and develop, and tie into this system on this type of vehicle, and they can do autonomous vehicle experiments.
Now, Paul, it's my understanding that for your customers, they're able to conduct, with your ADAS kit, they're able to conduct their testing much more efficiently. Am I understanding that right?
Yeah, that's correct. A simulation is usually used as the forefront for testing and development, but eventually you have to get out on the road. And by providing this platform, we've basically saved quite a bit in time and risk to customers who traditionally in the past they'd have to develop their own vehicle, and we can help them get there faster, quicker, and cheaper.
Paul, I have heard before that you say to your staffers at your office, you never know the lives you might save one day. So the work that you do at Dataspeed is important. So can you talk to us a little bit about that?
So basically, anybody working in autonomy today, we're all part of moving the time clock up where on a large scale, safe vehicles are deployed. And a safer vehicle, once it's deployed, you'll save lives. So any work done in there, we move that time clock up a little bit. So I basically tell my engineers and my staff that we're moving that time clock up a little bit. Everybody at this event is moving that time clock up a little bit, with the result being safer vehicles, and that's a good feeling.
Paul, have I missed anything that's important about Dataspeed? Any new innovations that maybe we didn't talk about yet?
We're a mobile robotics company, and we do a lot of work in collaborative robotics as well as driverless cars, and there's a lot of synergy between the two because when you take a driverless car and effectively remove the human from that, it becomes a mobile robot. So we're operating in our sweet spot.
And I understand here, this Chrysler Pacifica, you did some work with autonomous stuff. Tell us a little bit about that. So
autonomous stuff, they're our exclusive distributor. They do a great job of supporting the customers and getting custom-built vehicles. They'll take basically our by-wire system and build out a custom vehicle that meets the customer's specifications. They've built out literally hundreds of vehicles, and they've really enabled the industry, really helped out a lot of customers in getting them a solution so they can continue to do the innovation that they want, the customers that they want to work on, get them something quick and fast and reliable and very cost effective too.
Paul, you've been part of the AutoSens family for some time now. You were at AutoSens Detroit last year, also AutoSens Brussels. It was great to catch up with you in Brussels. Now you're back in Detroit. Why is it that you've chosen to come back and be part of the AutoSens family?
Well, we've had great results dealing with the potential customers and the vendors that are here. It's a great community, and we're very happy to be part of this ecosystem. And the Sense Media it's an excellent event. They're excellent at organizing this event, and I look forward to Brussels 2018, and then coming back to Detroit next year here.
Well, Paul, we're certainly glad to have you as part of the family, part of the team. We wish you all the best luck going forward. Do you have any final thoughts to add before we wrap up?
Enjoy the nice weather here in Michigan, because you know what they say, 5 minutes it'll change. So I'm going to take the sun in today. So
we'll do that. We're taking the sun in outside here with Paul Fleck, the founder of Dataspeed. AutoSens 2018 at the Michigan Science Center in the heart of the Motor City. For more AutoSens TV, find us on YouTube.